We're in Montego Bay. It is Independence Day. And we're showing you what the streets look like. It's rainy, it's a rainy day, man. Crazy. Montego Bay, Jamaica, Independence Day 2026. This is what it looks like. A whole heap of rain in the town as we walk towards Sam Sharp Square. How have you been celebrating Independence Day 2026? Let me know in the comment section. So this is the newly paved area right here. Nice paved stone section. And they just had the ceremony here. Independence civic ceremony was held right here in Sam Sharp Square. This is what it looks like. Fountain is still going even through the rain. There it is. We're going now on to St. James Street. Let's go. So they're still tearing down the tent. Person still there. They finish pack up the speakers as we head through the town space here. Yeah, man. A long time we really wanted the showers because Montego Bay was really hot. So we're glad for it now. Let's go. Everybody's scampering. Eagles packing up their stuff. Straight down St. James Street. You see the insects coming out of the drain there. All of the sidewalk here so it's wet. So we have to walk in the road now. Even though the rains, it's still a lovely day. A lot of the businesses and some of the Chinese stores are still open. As we make our way through the town. Whole heap of rain. That's the amount of water going into the gutter here. Arcade is on the right. We're going straight up. Barney Street is at the top there. On Barney Street. Bus park is on our right. We're going straight. Rainy day here in Montego Bay. Guys, be sure to tap that subscribe button, like the video. This is the Independence Day special. Showing exactly what the street is like. It's a rainy afternoon. Pier One over there. Harbour Street is on the left. Look at the amount of water running here. When last have you seen Montego Bay like this? Pier One is across the road there. This is Harbour Boulevard we're looking at. This is the new bus park, the new car park I was telling you about, automated. I want to cross the road. I'm just waiting on my time. Let's go, let's go. So what, our first walking vlog? Our first vlog walking through any Jamaican town at all. Just showing you what it is like, man. Rains and more rains in Montego Bay. Craft Market is over there on the right. You can check out the membership on the channel as well. The old tax office used to be over here, but it's closed. Welcome to Montego Bay. Alright, that's Harbour City straight across the road there. Look at the amount of water settling here. Harbour City shopping mall. Let's go right across the road here. Can go back in the town center that way. But this is Harbour City. This is what Harbour City looks like. Say, you can see the sign there, say I love Montego Bay. Beautiful. Even in the rain, they still have the water feature going. See the part there where you can take the picture? Jamaica there. Jamaica flag. You can take the picture. Sheen Fashion Store is right here on the left. So this is Harbour City. Rooftop parking is that way. So we're going this way. So this direction can carry you back to Pier One. You can charge your electric vehicles on the straight ahead on the right there, slight right. Your charging stations there, you can charge. So a lot of Chinese vehicles are there now. Two of them BYD they're charging at the same time. Right here. 3 BYD vehicles being charged. So it's the same parking lot where Sunday Souls is held. And this is the problem with Pier One now, the flooding. Amount of water in this area. This is the problem we're having with the road to Pier One. Where Bruno are going now? Bruno! What happened? Where shall I walk? Come on, Bruno. Pier One where I go. Buy a piece of chicken. And this is the walk straight to Pier One. The LOJ complex there. Today's holiday, so not much persons on the streets. Driving school over here, as you can see, we're right up on the coast. Right on the coast of Montego Bay. Let me set this steady. Alright. So we're in the Pier One area. By the way, this street has a name, you know. The name of the street is right here. It's Harbour Circle South. See the water going down in the drain, going straight to the sea. And Pier One is right across the road here. So we go straight from downtown straight to the seaside. Look at all the debris going into the water there. Let me show you. Look at the debris going into the sea. So we'll show you Pier One. But look at that. You see all water just coming right down. Let me see if I can zoom in and show you. There it is. So all of that mud, etc., going right into the sea here. Alright, and that's Pier One straight ahead there. Let me skip some rocks here for you. Alright, so see us now walking straight over to Pier One. Again guys, do remember to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment. We're showing you the beauty of Jamaica, one location at a time. There is the sign. Red stripe on the waterfront. Oh, it's Pier One on the waterfront, Montego Bay, Jamaica. Restaurant, bar, and marina. Persons on the boat doing a last minute sail out. Just beautiful. And the restaurant is over there. So all of that rainwater going into the sea. Happy Independence Day, Jamaica. Wish Jamaica 64 more years of it. 64 more years of independence. I wish Jamaica. I swear. By then it will be the Republic of Jamaica. You see how many times I'm saying it in my video? The Republic of Jamaica, and we'll no longer have a prime minister, we'll have a president. So the president of Jamaica, who's going to be the first president of Jamaica? Dr. Michael Andrew Holness. Dr. Andrew Michael Holness. You let me know in the comments what you think about what I just said. They have had an event over Pier One over there. That's Nuts for the Express. Nuts for the Express right there. You can collect your packages, etc. Alright guys, I'm out. Catch you in the next video. Tap on the video now, see on your screen. One love, Jamaica.